你今日講嘅故事叫咩名啊
Castles Adventures
係 Castle Adventure。The magic took them to castle。咁呢個 castle 入面咧，睇下，哇！我聽下都驚啊 ！castle 入面，哇！咩嚟㗎？呢三個咩人嚟㗎？係咩人嚟㗎？Witches。呢個係邊個啊？介紹下。
Black
呢個 Black Witch， 呢個咧？呢個 Red Witch， 呢個咧 Green Witch， 係喎。呢三個 witch 咧喺呢個 castle 入面㗎。The magic took the children inside the castle. It took them to a room。你睇呢個 room 入面有邊個啊 ？Frog， 佢係咪？
我唔加 frog 加晒
係啊，佢講自己係乜嘢 ？I am a king。I am a superhero king。跟住咧，你睇下，佢話你哋小心啲啊 ！The witches turned me into a frog. Help me, he said。邊個嚟緊啊？邊個嚟緊啊 ？Black witch is coming。好驚啊！跟住匿埋啊 ！Gran 咧，佢將咧 push the witch， Gran push the witch， 跟住 tripped the witch keys。They ran out of the room。係啊，跟住 lock 咗個 witch 喺間房入面啊！出唔出到嚟啊？出唔到嚟啊！跟住咧，再聽到咧。邊個啊？邊個嚟緊啊？又 Red Witch is coming。跟住咧 ，Gran 做咩啊 ？Put a net 做咩啊？個 head 度啊 ，over the head。於是乎呢個 Red Witch 咧，佢可唔可以喐啊？唔可以喐啦！你睇下。少少喐，咁呢個係邊個嚟㗎 ？Green Witch。
而家開始收㗎，有9個收同埋有花個收嘅。
係咩？你睇下佢 Gran 咧就將呢個 Green Witch 咧拱咗落地下 ，throw the witch on the floor。咁佢又喐唔喐到啊？唔喐到啦，三個咧綁晒啦。於是乎佢咧 Beef 啦、Gran 啦、Keeper 啦，
我冇綁到嘅。
佢都喐唔到噶啦。一齊 check 本書喎。咁咧突然之間 money home。The magic turned the frogs into 咩啊？變翻做咩啊？
變咗
people。係啊。
呢個係 precious。
係啊。
呢個係 king。
係啊，我哋睇下係唔係先。佢哋兩個 say thank you，we are so happy。咁佢哋就最撚尾咧 happy celebration，thank you so much for your help。於是乎突然之間呢個時候咧 ，the magic key 做咩啊
glow
係啊。
功能。
於是乎佢哋咧就翻去 go back to their room 啦。拜拜。